Bordering Nepal lies a remote Indian state called Bihar. Here, a rumour persists of a demon lurking amongst the population. Some claim the demon is spreading an evil curse, causing terror among local people. "1,200 miles away, a journalist, Sanjay Pandey, becomes so intrigued by the story, he decides to travel to the isolated state to investigate. But he doesn't find a demon. He finds a 16-year-old boy with a cruel genetic disease that, left untreated, will kill him. Sanjay decides to hand him a lifeline. Will the boy take it? And if he does, will he survive?
मेरा नाम है मिथुन चौहान, घर तिलक चक। माता बहन के साथ रहते हैं और 4 भाई हैं, 1 बहन है।
Mithun's village is in the northeastern state of Bihar, one of the poorest in India. Life is hard, and the nearest hospital's over 100 miles away.
लोग मुझे घूर के देखते हैं, मुझे बड़ी बुरा लगता है।
Mithun has a genetic disorder called neurofibromatosis. The swollen tumours that cover his body and face have been compared to a layer of bubble wrap.
एकदम नहीं था सर, बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं था। वो करीब करीब गुड़कने लगा था। 2 बरस 3 बरस के बाद में ऐसा बीमारी धरा उसको सर। एक डॉक्टर ने उसको इलाज किया, थोड़ा फुसरी था, वही फुसरी के जख्म से वो ये रिजेक्शन कर गया सर।
बचपन में तो ठीक है, हेलो अपना अब ले, अरे छोटा बच्चा था तब ठीक था। जब अपना जख्म गाँव में हो गलो।
The condition affects around 1 in 3,500 people and causes non-cancerous tumours to grow all over the body. Most sufferers have nothing more than small lumps. But in rare cases, these tumours can grow very large.
छोटा वही तरह बढ़ते जा रहे हैं।
Mithun is the youngest in his family. His parents, Mathaya and Ramji, are peasant farmers.
जहाँ जितना हमको पैसा था उतना कमाए, तो इधर ही बाल बच्चा भी कमाता था, तो मिथुन में लगा देता था।
डॉक्टर लोग सर कोई समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। हम लोग कभी कुछ बोलता है ठीक हो जाएगा, ठीक है। होम्योपैथिक भी खिलाए, अब देखी दिखाए, बिहार पटना सगरों लगे, नहीं कहीं हुआ सर।
Mithun's tumours have grown so large, they now engulf his face and impact every aspect of his life.
बहुत दिक्कत होता है, खेलने में, बोलने में, सुतने में, बैठने में।
अब खाने में दिक्कत नहीं हो रहा है। बारे खाए तो अरे बड़ी अच्छू ऐसे करके बोले, मुंह में हाथ फेर ले तो तब खाई को।
अभी कोई दाता आप वैसा रहते, सहायता करते तो चलने का मजबूर हैं, चलेंगे। उनसे हम क्या कहेंगे, हो सकता है उनका भाग खराब हो तो उसका होगा। ऐसे तो हम कभी देखे हैं नहीं कि हमारा घर का परिवार में कोई किसी का नहीं है।
जाते हैं तो मैं करने लोग मैं ड्राइव तो लगता है बुटरू लोग को भगा देती है कि तुम अब क्या करोगे पढ़ के अब जाओ अपना घर रहो तुम खेलो कूदो।
तुम्हें दुख होता है?
हाँ दुख तो होते हैं।
And it's not just school children who are frightened of Mithun.
मैं वो डर गया था रात के बैठे रहते उस पुल पे पाया उसी जगह से तो डरने लगा चिल्लाए लगने तो कहा कि यहाँ पे यहीं पर बैठे रहो कोई भूत नहीं है भूत ही है ऐसे कहा।
The tumours are robbing the teenager of a normal life. If Mithun doesn't get help soon, they'll grow so large they'll block his airway and suffocate him.
मारे के दम कोई जानने लग तो किदम मरता का जैसन हो जाता दम लगता है लूंज हो गया जैसन हो जाता है।
But 1,200 miles away in the city of Chennai, journalist Sanjay Pandey has been working on a plan that could save Mithun's life.
I felt bad for him. That gave me an idea that yes, if I can take up the story, I can also bring about change in this boy's life.
Sanjay knows of a plastic surgeon based in the Indian city of Indore who could help.
The medical team in Indore, they had done some amazing stuff. So that's how I knew Dr. Das, and I was very sure about the fact that if he takes up the case, I was sure that he would do an amazing job with it.
After seeing Sanjay's pictures, Dr. Iswani Dash agreed to operate.
I feel a bit, sad for the boy. He has to go through these conditions because of none of his fault. If I can do something for the boy to improve his, quality of life, I'll be very happy, obviously.
But the surgery costs over £10,000. Money Mithun's family doesn't have.
To raise the money, I started a crowdfunding campaign, and people started donating for the thing.
In just 1 week, all the money needed for Mithun's surgery is raised.
When I got up in the morning, next morning, I saw that we have reached the targets. My phone wouldn't stop pinging. I was like overwhelmed.
"6 a.m. and Mithun is preparing to leave his village to travel 800 miles for his life-saving surgery. For his mother, Mathaya, letting go is very hard. She fears this is the last time she'll see her son alive. But it's Mithun's only chance.
धारे बारे अपना पकीदार दिए जीवन का जीवन दिए भगवती मैया के।
She knows her son could die on the operating table. For her lies an agonizing wait. For Mithun, risky life-saving surgery. Only time will tell if it's a risk worth taking. In the remote Indian state of Bihar, 16-year-old Mithun is suffering from neurofibromatosis. The condition causes tumours to grow all over his body. Without surgery, the tumours on his face will grow so large they will suffocate him. But Mithun has started a mammoth 800-mile journey to a specialist hospital for life-saving treatment. He's being accompanied by his dad. The trip across India will take 2.5 days. There's no guarantee the risky surgery will work, but it's Mithan's only hope.
पढ़ाई सब लिखाई पढ़ेंगे, बहुत काम करेंगे, काम सब कर।
डरते हैं कि कैसा आदमी है भयानक, कि देख कर डर लगता है और प्रणाम पाती करता है। ये तो बेचारा चुपचाप मुंह खोद के चलते रहता है, किसी से बोल बतियाव नहीं करता है। बोल बचाव अपना माँ बाप घर गांव ग्राम में करता है सर, और बाहर में करने का वो तो देख के आदमी डर रहा है, तो प्रणाम पाती किससे करेगा सर।
महादेव का सब कृपा है, भोलेनाथ का।
हाँ वो तो बात है।
In his village, when people stare, Mithan can hide. But that's not possible trapped in a carriage on a moving train.
जब तक तेरा चेहरा से ढलता नहीं है, जब तक दुखी रहेंगे।
Mithan and his dad arrive in the city of Indore. For a boy from rural India, the sights and sounds of a big city are captivating. This is the first time that plastic surgeon Dr. Aswini Dash has met his patient. Up to now, he's only seen pictures.
It was a painful experience to see the boy. Most of the tumors were blocking his nose, eyes and mouth. And he was almost not looking human.
His mentation is perfect. He is able to follow.
I have operated on, isolated case of neurofibromatosis. But this is the first tumor of that grade I've seen.
In one big operation, the surgical team plan to remove all the tumors. First on the lower part of the face.
I can remove and then complete excision of the tumors, and I'll use the extended expanded skin to close up the defect. Like there is a cleft, this goes up to the lip.
Then the tumors surrounding the eyes and ears.
Eyelid has to be, taken care because they are gone heavy due to tumor.
Finally, Mithan will need to undergo significant facial reconstruction.
We will be able to use most of the skin that has been already expanded by the tumor.
The surgery carries huge risks, including catastrophic blood loss and serious infection.
17 साल का है, 17 years का है, 17 साल का है।
Mithan must undergo a series of pre-op scans to determine whether any of his tumours are growing around his vital organs. If they are, it could jeopardise surgery.
Midline cross कर रहा tumor या दोनों separate?
During the CT scan, doctors spot an abnormality in his brain. Dr. Dash summons the hospital's neurologist for a second opinion.
There is a mass lesion here. That is a complicating factor.
Because this is inside brain, I can predict some kind of post-op recovery hazards.
We need to get the MRI done, and
Now, of course, we'll be very sure of the things we are going to face
Yes,
before we go into that. No?
we don't want to take any chances.
Sure.
The team need to establish if Mithan has a brain tumour and if it can be treated. If it can't, the surgery could be over before it's begun. "800 miles away, unaware of the unfolding drama, Mithan's mother anxiously waits for news.
डर नहीं लग रहा है कि करतीन न की करतीन कैसे की होता है, तो नहीं डर लगा है कि हम जेबाई तो चीर फाड़ करतीन की करतीन, हमारा डर लगिए रहा है।
At Life Care Hospital, the results are back. There is a tumour in Mithun's brain.
As we see here, this particular tumor inside the brain is the most risky part right now because it has a lot of swelling around it and it can complicate the surgery, it can complicate the anesthesia, it can complicate the post-operative period and the recovery because this is what is the obvious hindrance for going ahead with the surgery.
The team have limited treatment options. They could surgically remove the tumour, use drugs to shrink it, or cancel the operation.
थोड़ा बहुत भय लग रहा है अभी तो नहीं भय लग रहा होएगा तो थोड़ा बहुत भय लगेगा कि मैं चेहरा कैसे
Here we see the lesion producing good amount of mass.
A case conference is held to decide the next course of action.
In that case, if we need to do the decompression or something like that, how much duration it will take usually?
I will need few days, I think 48 hours to 72 hours to medically decompress, as we say, to reduce the pressure around this brain tumor and make him fit for surgery. So that is the real challenge we have right now.
The team decides to attempt to shrink the tumour with drugs.
Mithun's condition is somewhat serious because he has got tumors blocking the nose, mouth, and he is not able to eat, he is not able to breathe, drooling a lot of saliva, and plus he has got tumors in brain, so it makes the condition whole lot serious than what it seems.
Chemically shrinking the tumour will be a slow and painful process, with no guarantee of success.
कि घबराहट डर हमला सर डर तो अभी नहीं कुछ का है अभी दावा सुई हमको चल रहा है पानी चढ़ रहा है आपको यदि डर होगा तो हम टेलीफोन से बात करते ही रहेंगे
Three days have passed, and at last a piece of good news. The brain tumour has been shrunk enough for surgery.
Everybody is tensed. I'm a bit anxious about the thing, how the things would cause danger to Mithun. I'm particularly worried about the brain functions. There will be a lot of bleeding I expect in that patient. I'm going to start from the biggest tumor on the face, that is on the jaw. I'll try to remove the tumors from there, stop the bleeding. Then I'm going to go for the tumors on the nostril and the cheek.
The operation will be split. First, the removal of the tumours, and second, the facial reconstruction. There's a lot to do, and the longer it takes, the bigger the risk for Mithun.
इससे अंदर ऑक्सीजन हवा आएगी लंबी लंबी सांसें लेते रहो ठीक है Put the monitor on.
The massive tumours are blocking his mouth. So the anaesthetist performs a tracheotomy, a small incision in the windpipe, to ventilate him. After 72 hours of uncertainty, Mithun's life-changing operation begins. Dr. Dash sets about removing the huge tumours from the lower part of the face. The anaesthetist has reduced Mithun's blood pressure to minimise blood loss.
Skin ke liye to beta incision. Neurofibroma is very less. Hard to cut because it's a grating steel. It's like stone.
It's physical work. Removal of the largest tumour is proving tricky. And even with reduced blood pressure,
Section, please.
Mithun is losing a lot of blood.
Nearly of the size of normal chin now. So this was the most troublesome part. And this is the tumor we have removed from the...
It has taken more than an hour to remove the first tumour.
This cheek part will be a bit less easier as predicted. This is the third tumor we are out. I'm going after this tumor. Right now we are in midst of almost like a storm. We are trying to sail through the storm, and right now the bleeding is stopped and the tumor which is left on the nose has to be removed.
Outside, Mithun's father waits patiently for news. Journalist Sanjay has joined him. In theatre, the removal of the largest tumours has left the face in pieces. Dr. Dash had hoped to remove more tumours, but Mithun is looking increasingly unstable, so he has no choice but to start the reconstruction.
Here we have done the mandibular part. We have removed the whole of the tumor from the chin. We are going to reduce this chin to make it, the perfect shape required to his body, because his lips are as such this much wide. We don't require this. We have to take out this part and we have to make it, tight and beautiful, as tight as possible. We have to reduce the skin from this area to make his chin shrink.
Successful facial reconstruction depends on having good quality skin to work with.
We have removed 5 tumor in total, and we have tried to save the skin as much as required. Some skin was, of course, not very good to be used over nose and face, but most of the skin which was useful, we have tried to save it. We will be using it to reconstruct the nose, cheek, and mandible and lower part.
The quality of Mithun's overstretched skin is not good.
Skin ka part aa raha hai.
Making the job of reconstruction difficult.
You're not getting space here.
We are getting rid of this thing so the upper lip becomes a bit less bulky. There has to be limitation when there is no skin. Reconstruction can't be 100% perfect with no perfect skin on the face. So this boy doesn't have perfect skin on the face. So reconstruction is obviously less achieved than what we expected.
Then, after 4.5 hours, the team have no choice but to call a halt. Mithun is losing too much blood.
We predicted to do more, but we couldn't because of the blood loss and the condition of the patient and the tumor lying inside his brain.
As Mithun's taken to intensive care, his condition deteriorates.
ये
16-year-old Mithun is in ITU fighting for his life. Surgery hasn't gone according to plan. The team were unable to remove all the tumours as Mithun's blood loss was too great. Now medical staff are fighting to stabilise him. He urgently needs a blood transfusion. For his father, Ramji, and Sanjay, the man who raised the money for the surgery, it's a very worrying time.
We have to walk slow.
Yeah.
We are all in, walking on the ropes, and we should all pray for the things.
the operation was successful. But he also cautioned me that, until unless 24 hours are passed, we can't say that he is out of danger.
It's the next day, and Mithun has finally stabilized.
There's a lot of fluid inside. A lot of blood trickling out. There's a lot more swelling than I expected.
Mithun's operation has left deep wounds, which will need careful treatment.
Still is just the wound care part, because the stitches are on and we have to give him considerable dressing care and all those things. Antibiotics are still going on. And then later on, after the removal of the stitches, his facial exercises and rehabilitation part would be taken properly care of.
But there's a problem. Because surgery had to be stopped, he needs to come back for a second costly operation. But the money raised is running out. Mithun will have to leave the hospital before his wounds have healed to ensure there's money left to pay for his next visit. But that puts him at risk of a catastrophic infection.
इसको महसूस हो रहा कि हम नहीं बचेंगे। दिक्कत हो रहा कि सांस लेने में दिक्कत होता था। इसको भय लग रहा था।
"24 hours later, he's preparing to go home.
अरे तो पूरा हल्का लग रहा है। पहले तो पूरा ततरा कर उतना साफ डर तो नहीं लग रहा था कि घाव सोच रहे थे कि घाव तो कब अच्छा है। ये नहीं टहलने लगे थे।
And as Mithun's train speeds through the night, he gets further away from advanced medical care. Finally, he's reunited with his mother. Mithun settles back into village life, and he's made it home in time for a religious festival. And with his new face comes newfound confidence.
और उसको गांव वाला भी बहुत खुशी मना रहे हैं कि नहीं अभी बेचारा को बहुत अच्छा हुआ। घर वाले भी बहुत खुश हैं, माँ बाप भी खुश हैं कि हमारा बेटा अभी से बहुत अच्छा है।
कोई नहीं कह रहा कि हाँ ये खराब बात है, बहुत अच्छा है, सबको कह रहा है। बच्चा से बुतरू तक नारे अभी मिथुन में बढ़िया आल हनी, बढ़िया हो गल हनी, यही बोल रहा है सबको। कोई नहीं कह रहा कि हाँ खराब है। गांव के लोग कोई नहीं बोल रहा है खराब। अब वही बुतरू सब साथे भी खेलता है, जो साथे भी जा रहा है, जो डराता है उसे ही।
आज थोड़ा सुधार हुआ है। हाँ सब लोग खुश हैं, खुश कोई हंसता है कोई नहीं है, तो ठीक कहता है।
But the celebrations are short-lived. 2 weeks after returning home, Dr. Dash's worst fears are realised. Mithun's face has become dangerously infected. A local medic does his best to dress the wounds.
इस वक्त वो ऑपरेशन के बाद जब यहाँ आया था तो उसकी हालत बहुत ही बुरी थी। ठीक है ना। फिर गया, देखा, देखने के बाद मुझे लगा कि ये तो बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है। बैंडेज में लगा करके ना रखेंगे इसको, समझे?
Mithan's health is getting worse by the hour. His only hope is to travel 100 miles for specialist treatment. And by the time Mithan arrives, he's ravaged by fever. All the doctor can do is repair his face and prescribe emergency antibiotics. Mithan returns to his village and takes to his bed. A week has passed, and he's finally back on his feet.
और सब ठीक है सर, गांव वाले आ रहे हैं, देख के चल जा रहे हैं कि बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया है। 25 तारीख जब जख्म हो जाएगा ठीक तो सर, तो 25 तारीख को चलेंगे। ऐसा बात तो है कि नहीं, हम कह रहे हैं कि सर हम नहीं जाएंगे, ज़रूर चलेंगे सर।
Mithan's confidence is growing, so he decides to do something that would have been unthinkable a few weeks ago. A shopping trip.
अभी मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, आँख एहसास कर रहा है। पहले से नहीं घूरते आँख, मुझे चेहरा अच्छा लग रहा है। और अगले के लिए तैयार हूँ और नौरंग देखूँगा।
It's a milestone, but he still faces another round of dangerous surgery. "5 a.m. It's the start of another epic 800-mile journey. Once again, Mithan's mother must let her son go in the knowledge she may never see him again.
धड़क रही रहा, जितना खून है तो निकल जाएगा, तो बचेगा कि नहीं बचेगा, ऐसा लगता है आत्मा में। आओ, अरे जाने के ऊपर तो अफसोस लगवे करता है कि कैसा रहेगा, कैसा होगा, कि कैसे कैसे इसको ऑपरेशन होगा, क्या होगा।
At Life Care Hospital, Dr. Dash and his team are preparing for the next operation.
In the second stage operation, we are planning to remove the upper lip tumor, which are also, heavy. Second, we are trying to reconstruct the nose. We will be removing the small tumor from the forehead and the cheeks as well, and trying to close them, try to heal the wound and reduce the misery of the boy as far as possible.
It's a worrying time for Mithan's father.
डॉक्टर ले सर बोले कि मिथुन का ये सब जो आँख का पर्दा है, मुंह का जो पर्दा है, जो ये सब हटाना पड़ेगा। और दूसरी बात है कि वो हटाने के बाद में वो बोले कि तुमको कोई चीज़ का चिंता है। हम बोले सर चिंता को नहीं, तो हम यहाँ पर चले आए आपके चरण में।
Once again, Sanjay has made the long trip to lend moral support.
कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत बढ़िया है हॉस्पिटल, बहुत अच्छा आप सेवा किए और कोई चीज़ की तकलीफ नहीं है। इसको कल लेके सुबह आप लेके चलिएगा, हम लोग भी चलेंगे साथ।
But back in theatre, there's a complication. Mithun's oxygen saturation levels are dropping like a stone. If they stay like this, his body will shut down. Time is running out. If the team can't get enough oxygen into his body, Mithun could suffer permanent brain damage.
Yeah.
16-year-old Mithun is at the start of a second operation to remove tumours from his face. But just minutes in, the team have again run into problems. In the first operation, massive blood loss threatened Mithun's life. This time his body is being starved of oxygen. The team works methodically to overcome the problem. It takes 10 minutes to stabilize Mithun. At last, plastic surgeon Dr. Iswani Dash can start.
Everything is unpredictable. We know that there can be n number of things that can stop our effort. But there is something inside me that keeps on saying that you have to do something for the boy, and whatsoever you can offer, you must offer. So that is the only thing that is keeping me uptake that kind of challenge.
He begins by removing the forehead tumours.
There was always the lack of skin on the forehead part as such.
But there's no spare skin to stretch over the gap.
After removing the tumor, we can't leave the raw area. So we have to take a groin skin and we have shifted it on the forehead. This is full thickness graft taken from the groin for the forehead area. It will be better matching on the forehead and make it smooth. भाई मेरे लिए तो 50,000 का केस है इतना नहीं.
Halfway through surgery, and the medical team are making good progress. They finished the forehead and are moving on to the tumours around Mithun's ears.
अभी आगे कैमरे वाले से काम करवाने की शादी करवा रहे हैं. और वो निकालेंगे सबसे आखिरी में. घर का काम करते तो फिर वही बचा. या नहीं हुआ उसको कुछ नहीं कह सकते. We have done the forehead thing, we have done the lip reduction thing, we have done the removal of these tumors.
But it's not all good news. Dr. Dash has been unable to remove the two deep tumours either side of the nose.
These are the most problematic thing. They gave me difficult time to us last time also. So I think these are not removable right now. We are not able to touch them.
Finally, after 2 hours, surgery is complete. Mithun is woken up. But he's in great pain. He will spend the next weeks in hospital while his wounds heal.
My hopes are that he gets as normal as possible functionally as well as the facial features. My fear is that, he gets dissatisfied with the lumps and bumps which are remaining on the face. Sometimes that can also hamper with his confidence, and recovery. So basic hope is that he goes to school, he gets people start, having friendly attitude towards him. We are trying to give the boy a quality life, a better one.
It's been a month since the surgery. Journalist Sanjay and plastic surgeon Dr. Dash have travelled to the remote state of Bihar to catch up with Mithun. For the doctor, it's also a chance to see his patient at home.
I think there was a special attachment to this boy for which we have been working since last few months. So that compelled me to come over here and visit him in his village. Overall, what I see is the increase in the confidence and lifestyle of the boy.
बहुत खुश है, बहुत रंग रहा है मेरा चेहरा, बहुत पहले से ज़्यादा खुश है। पहले तो दुखी रहे, और तो खुशी है।
For Sanjay too, seeing Mithun so much happier than he was just a few weeks ago is a special moment.
I could see that he is happy about his new looks. He might not look like some Bollywood star, but he is gradually starting to look like a normal human being, a human face, a human appearance, a confidence that he was lacking so far.
With approximately 450 grams of tumor that has been removed from the boy's face, he could smile properly, he could give me very friendly gestures. Villagers has accepted it so well, he is into with the kids. Kids are accepting him well. That is very heartwarming things to see.
Mithun's parents are also feeling optimistic about his future.
ऑपरेशन करके आया तो लगा कि हमको बच्चा बहुत आनंद से आया, बहुत आनंद है। अब अपना ठीक है, बढ़िया शकल अबर में जाएगा तो और शकल बनेगा। पहले तो देखने में नहीं ठीक लगता था कुछ, अब तो चरना देखने में मुँह का शकल बढ़िया लग रहा है।
घर आने के बाद में तो लड़का हमारा अभी ठीक है। न बच्चा लोग डरता है, अब तो खेलता उलता है बच्चा लोग जो रे। अभी तो कोई चीज़ का वैसा परिश्रम नहीं है।
I see the confidence in his eyes now. He interacts with people with a lot more confidence and doesn't shy away, doesn't hide himself in a corner at the very sight of a stranger.
पढ़ाई लिखाई करेंगे, कि कैसे करके मेरा जिंदगी बन जाए।
It's been a monumental 7 months for Mithun. He's undergone not just one, but 2 massive operations to rebuild his face and reclaim his life. Today, he's only just started on the road to recovery. But already the changes are obvious. Not only is his outward appearance improving, so is his outlook on life.
ये सब डॉक्टर करीब करेंगे।
चलो बेटा, ध्यान रखना, ठीक है?
या आगे चल के हाई लोग कैसे शादी कर रहे हैं ऐसी।
For the first time, Mithun can look forward to a brighter future.